The vast ocean, a world where light fades into the depths, where the greatest predators reign in silent majesty.
This is the great white shark, an icon of power and evolutionary perfection. Known scientifically as Carcharodon Carcharias, it is the undisputed apex predator of temperate seas.
Its distinctive coloration allows it to blend seamlessly, from the sunlit surface to the shadowy depths.
From the rugged coasts of South Africa to the shores of California, the great white shark patrols vast ocean territories. They are ocean nomads, undertaking epic migrations across thousands of miles in search of sustenance. Their bodies are finely tuned biological machines, perfectly adapted for life in the depths. Keen eyes, coupled with other highly developed senses, make them formidable hunters. They stand at the pinnacle of the food chain, a crucial role in maintaining the ocean's delicate balance. A wide shot of a great white shark patrolling an underwater canyon, revealing the vastness of its hunting grounds.
Though often solitary, each great white shark is a resilient warrior of the deep. And so our story begins, where life and death intertwine in the ocean's eternal dance. Deep within the ocean, new life stirs, a future for the seas. Great white sharks are oviviparous. Eggs hatch within the mother, a unique survival strategy.
After 12 to 18 months of gestation, the mother seeks out safe nursery grounds.
Birth is a miraculous moment as tiny pups enter the world.
At around 1.5 meters long, they are miniature replicas of their parents, with all senses intact. With no parental care, great white shark pups are independent from the very first moment.
Shallow coastal waters become their first refuge, a sanctuary from the perils of the open ocean.
The hunting instinct is innate, and immediately their quest for food begins. Sharp teeth, though small, are already primed for the battle of survival.
Small fish and cephalopods are their first meals, fueling their rapid growth.
Each day is a lesson, each hunt a challenge, shaping the predators they will become.
Survival is a constant struggle, where only the fittest can endure.
With every meal, every passing moment, the pup grows, stronger and ready for greater things.
As the early days pass, the juvenile great white shark embarks on a journey to explore the wider world.
Its lateral line system detects the slightest vibrations, an invaluable hunting tool. Every movement, every reaction, is a lesson in refining survival skills.
Its diet gradually shifts from smaller fish to larger, more energy-rich prey.
Electroreception, a superhuman ability, allows it to detect hidden prey. Hunting tactics are honed, from sudden ambushes to high-speed pursuits.
Gradually, they venture into deeper waters, where larger prey awaits. Observation and learning are key to understanding prey, anticipating their every move.
Upon reaching 3 meters in length, they are ready for a significant turning point in their lives.
Relentless growth, each shark becoming a more powerful version of itself.
Farewell, safe waters. A new chapter of life unfolds. The vast ocean beckons, and the great white shark is ready to face its challenges.
Now fully grown, The great white shark is a perfect hunting machine, silently gliding through the ocean's depths. Hundreds of razor-sharp, continuously replaced teeth are its ultimate weapon.
Ambush is its forte, striking from the depths with sudden force.
A spectacular bretch, a display of extraordinary power and speed.
Incredible speed, reaching over 56 kilometers per hour, allows it to overtake the swiftest prey.
A powerful bite, tearing prey into manageable pieces to be swallowed whole. At times, they are scavengers, utilizing massive whale carcasses to sustain themselves. Its massive fatty liver is a vast energy reserve, enabling survival through lean times.
Its partial warm-bloodedness allows it to operate efficiently even in colder waters.
Even the apex predator has its foe, and the orca is its only natural threat.
In the struggle for survival, every decision can mean the difference between life and death.
Each successful hunt is a testament to the great white shark's cunning and power.
And once again, its enigmatic silhouette disappears into the vast ocean.
With each passing year, the great white shark grows grander, dominating a vast underwater territory.
Scars on its body tell tales of a challenging life, of battles fought and won.
Though a fearsome predator, it shares enigmatic interactions with its surroundings.
Occasionally, fleeting encounters with others of its kind occur in the ocean's silence.
They communicate through body language, establishing dominance within their territories.
Prey aggregation areas are vital hunting grounds, where they frequently patrol.
They can dive thousands of feet deep, exploring the ocean's hidden mysteries.
A diverse diet, from fish to mammals, demonstrates its adaptability in hunting.
Every meal is a victory, sustaining its power and dominance.
Solitary in the ocean, it is a living emblem of wilderness and power. Its journal is ceaseless, always seeking new horizons and fresh hunts.
The reproductive instinct stirs, driving mature individuals to seek mates.
The female, often larger and maturing later, awaits the opportune moment.
Mating is a mysterious process, often occurring in shallow waters, away from feeding grounds.
The male may gently bite the female's fin, and part of the courtship ritual.
Internal fertilization, a complex process, initiates new life. The long gestation period demands great sacrifice from the mother. Inside the womb, the strongest embryos consume unfertilized eggs, a fierce competition.
After a long wait, new life is about to emerge.
A litter of pups, from 2 to 10, swim into the world, carrying the species' hope. The mother's task is complete, leaving the pups to fend for themselves.
From birth, the hunting instinct drives them to seek their first meal.
The nursery is a harsh world, where only the strongest individuals survive.
Rapid growth is key to overcoming the most vulnerable stage of life.
And a new generation of great predators is ready to conquer the ocean.
Time passes, and even the ocean's rulers must confront aging.
Eyes that hold countless experiences, battles fought, oceans traversed.
Though they can live up to 70 years, each is a unique story of survival. Yet, the greatest threat comes from humanity through fishing and pollution.
Scientists strive to protect the great white shark, to better understand its secretive life.
Eventually, all journeys conclude, and the great white shark returns to the ocean's embrace.
Death is not an end, but a return, nourishing new life within the ocean.
Rebirth lies in nature's eternal cycle, where every creature plays a part.
And somewhere, a new great white shark pup is born, continuing the species' legacy.
The life cycle continues, a grand story written over millions of years of evolution.
Ancestors have existed for hundreds of millions of years, witnessing Earth's many changes.
The great white shark, a living legacy, an emblem of natural resilience and power.
This enigmatic silhouette has haunted human imagination for generations.
Living in a world we are only just beginning to comprehend. These early hunting games are invaluable lessons for the life ahead.
Camouflage is a great advantage in these perilous early days. Curiosity is a vital part of learning and adapting to the environment.
Every swimming motion, every turn, is refined for maximum efficiency.
A perfect biological engine, propelling it through the water with incredible force. Sometimes, a test bite is its way of identifying potential prey.
An adult great white shark swimming alongside a large, ancient shipwreck, symbolizing its long reign.
Its presence creates a ripple effect throughout the underwater world.
Specialized structures allow the male to perform the complex fertilization process.
Secluded bays, safe havens for the birth of the next generation. The ocean is a living entity, constantly changing, yet the great white shark endures. The relationship between humans and great white sharks remains fraught with misunderstanding and fear.
Its jaws are the perfect survival tool, designed to tear and swallow whole.
Its silence conceals a latent power, always ready to erupt. Every nudge, every small discovery is part of a continuous learning process.
Speed and agility are vital survival skills, honed from a very young age.
Sometimes, juveniles learn from their elders, observing their tactics. Every success is a step forward, building confidence and experience for the future.
From complete stillness, it can explode into speed in an instant.
Acute senses collaborate, painting a complete map of its surroundings.
Even as the world changes, the great white shark finds ways to survive and thrive. Essence of life, a new beginning. Hope for the great white shark's future.
Though often solitary, they sometimes gather, creating mysterious moments of connection.
The great white shark, a legacy of the ocean, will forever be an emblem of the wild.